Students of Commerce section of Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Today we read the topic in BS second chapter, Principles of Management. Significance of, after the discuss over nature of principles of management, we going to discuss significance of management principles. Significance of management principle state that why management should be adopted by every organization to become more professionalism. Its first significance is providing managers with useful insight into reality. Providing managers with useful insight into reality, it means that a manager who know principles of management can easily take decision towards changes, towards management of life, and then in that situation he also can get the gains from the changes like trade wind changes, market and social habits were going to be changes. That is observed very easily by a manager if that manager has the knowledge of principles of management. So कहा जाता है कि मारवाड़ी समाज बिजनेस में बहुत आगे पहुंचा हुआ है और उसके पीछे यही तर्क दिए जाते हैं कि मारवाड़ी बहुत तेजी से परिस्थितियों का, बाजार में होने वाले मूवमेंट का वो आकलन कर पाते हैं. दे हैव insights to and that insights they immediately they change into their own activities and business process. Thus they gain more and more in business process. Thus first significance is providing managers with useful insight into reality, and that is the basic fundamental thing of management, that a management always appear ahead from present situation. वो हमेशा लगता है कि आगे की सोच है. That is the आगे की सोच ही जो है वो मैनेजमेंट का इंसाइट है. Second, optimum utilization of resources, effective administration. With the sense of management or with the knowledge of management, a organization became so efficient to optimal utilize its all types of resources and also able to made effective administration, because managers stand for minimization of cost, minimization of time, goal-oriented process, and in this regard, they were act with their planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling to manage the situation. The prevailing situation is better managed by a person who has the knowledge of principles of management, and in that situation only he can ensure the optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. Third, scientific decision. A person who have knowledge of principles of management, that person only can take scientific decision, that in the sense of work process, he always make a scientific decision towards working process, towards staff, towards overall organization, and the aim is how to get goal. The main aim is achieving goal with minimum efforts regarding cost and timing, human resource, everything, and it is ensured that that is a standard way of achieving that particular goal. And due to this, in this whole the scientific decision is become most important crucial factor in the process of management of any organization, and due to this scientific decision can be taken only from those persons who has principles of management, the sense of principles of management and the knowledge of principles of management. Fourth, meeting principles of management enables a manager to meeting changing environment requirements. As we know that suddenly this is the corona era was going on around us, and in that situation you can see that most of fertilizers company, most of medical companies were, and most of even automobile companies were turn over their production activities from their traditional to masks, sanitizer, PPE kit and ventilator even. So most of engineering college also nowadays engage their students and their professors to make their researches regarding and to invent the vaccination. That is known as that only those principles, those persons who are able to know the managerial sense, managerial principles significant, those only can meet that type of changing environment requirement. And that is the most important significance of management, क्योंकि because हम लोग ये भी जानते हैं कि दुनिया का अगर अंत भी होने लगता है तो there is a management who can survive this earth. उस तरह लास्ट पोजीशन तक हम लोग सोचते हैं कि अगर ऐसा होगा तो भी there are some persons who able to save this earth, this society, everything. So that is the hopeness, and that is the strength of principles of management, that it meeting the changing environment requirement. Fifth, fulfilling social responsibility, as already mentioned it in various videos of this principles of management, that management for society, management by society, management within society, and in this way a management always get their goals when there is a happy society around that management or that organization, and only then can they increase the demand level, they can increase the consumption level, they can increase the employment level, they can increase the life standard of overall people, and only when they fulfill their social responsibility regarding employment generation, regarding environment, pollution-free environment, regarding better standard of life, better quality of product, and also follow the business ethics. And in this way only they can able to achieve their goal smoothly, and thus fulfilling social responsibility is most crucial significant of principles of management, and that must be mentioned by every managers. Sixth, management training, education and research. Principles of management were never, because management itself a dynamic process, as we already know about it, and it is a dynamic process also, continuous process also, all pervasive also. In this regard, the principles of management also enhance the training, research and education regarding management with changing environment, with changing resources. Nowadays our resources get changed. We slightly shift from our traditional energy sources to non-traditional energy sources. In this regard, management training, education and research is also a good significant of management principle, and everyone have to mention this one.